It's me, Gmail. So here's the calculator I ordered. This calculator comes with a notepad. Let me just take this one out. Okay. Let me see the calculator. As you can see, this it is. Okay. Let me just keep the box aside and a USB-C. Okay, here we go. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And let me take out the pencil on the side. Okay, here we go. Press this button. If you for example draw something, you press this one. So now you cannot like delete. I mean you cannot erase. Can you see this button? Can you focus on this button? Like this one? Yeah, this one. So you cannot erase. I have to press again. Now you, for example, like I wanna buy something like banana apple, or I can do something like 2 TB SSD is costing me like 120 USD, and then I can calculate the price like 120. You have to hard press the keys. 120 plus. Okay, and then RAM is like 200 and what happened, 120 plus 200 and times by 8 for the HKD. Okay, times by 8. I don't know what's going on. You have to really press the key hard. 120 plus 200 times, what is going on? 120 plus 200 plus times 8 equal 2560 HKD. And here we go. The keys you really have to press hard, which is a little bit bummer, but other than that, I mean, where it went. Okay, here's the stylus. I don't again, I'm sorry, the stylus just fell down. And here we go. And let me just put inside. Okay, like this. Yeah, this is quite nice, and this is for the case you can put inside as you like. Yeah, I really enjoy it. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.